Question number 5. Suppose you conduct a significance test for the population proportion and your p-value is 0.184. Given a 0.10 level of significance, which of the following should be your conclusion? So the p-value method says that if the p-value is less than or even equal to alpha, we're going to reject h sub 0. If the p-value is greater than alpha, we're going to fail to reject h sub 0. Okay, so we have a p-value of 0.184 and we have an alpha of 0.110. Now if we compare these two together, we'll see that the 0.184 is bigger than the 0.110, so that means that our p-value was greater than alpha. Or what we say is the p-value is not low, so the null must not go or fail to reject h sub 0.